Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to turn your iPad into a Kindle. If you love reading but you find iPad mini too distracting with its colorful apps and notifications, you can transform it into a focused Kindle mode. Here's how to set it up step by step. Firstly, open the App Store on your iPad and search for Kindle. Install it and log in with your Amazon account. Download your books so you can access them offline. Now, removing color from the display helps reduce distractions. Go to Settings, Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. Then Color Filters. Turn on Color Filters and select Grayscale. This turns your entire display black and white, mimicking the calm visual tone of a Kindle screen. Now, Guided Access keep you locked inside one app, perfect for staying focused on reading. Just go to Settings, Accessibility, then Guided Access. Toggle it to On, then tap the passcode settings, set Guided Access passcode, then enter a 6-digit passcode. Optionally disable Touch ID to make it harder to exit accidentally. Now enable Accessibility shortcut to activate Guided Access quickly. This ensures you can't switch to other apps while reading. Now, open the Kindle app and triple-click on the home screen or power button to activate Guided Access. Tap Start to begin your locked-in reading section. Now, your iPad mini behaves just like a Kindle, only the Kindle app works until you exit Guided Access by triple-clicking again and entering your passcode. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.